Good morning, class. Here is another practical regarding the measurement of voltage, current and resistance with the help of multimeter. So here I am having apparatus, multimeter, two unknown resistance, DC source and AC mains. So when I apply AC mains to the resistor, then resistor will start to flow current. So that current will develop the voltage, current and resistance in the circuit. So that resistance I am going to find out in this practical. For that I am having a multimeter. So when on the multimeter I will choose the knob for resistance, and the resistance is there, unknown resistance is there. So beta, here I am having a resistor and here some colors are there. So that resistance, actual resistance, you can measure with the help of color codes methods that you were having in your plus 2 carbon codes. Okay. So from that I have calculated its range is of 10 ohms. Okay. So that resistance I am going to verify with the help of this multimeter. Okay. When I just connect these two knobs with this multimeter, then multimeter will show the range. So here I choose the 200 ohms for that. Now resistance to end are going to be connected like this. Corresponding to that I am having the value 10.3. So actual resistance is near about 10, but here I am having the reading of 10.3. So this is actual reading and reading from the multimeter for the resistance. This is another unknown resistance, but from color coding of this resistor we can easily find out the actual resistance of this resistor, and the actual resistance is of 56 kilo ohms. Okay. So that value I will verify with the help of this multimeter. So when I press these 2 points of this resistor with that knob of the multimeter, that end of the multimeter, these positive and negative one, it will show the value of the measured value of the resistance of this resistor. Okay. So for that I have choose this 200 kilo range. So these are the ranges of the resistances. Okay. So this is how we can connect the 2 points of the resistances like this, positive and negative, and those points are connected to this multimeter, and this will show the value for the resistances in the range of 200 kilo ohms. So this is the value of the resistance which we measure, but the actual value we can measure with the help of color codes. So this is how variation is of 0.3. Okay. So multimeter is used for the voltage, for the current, for the resistance and for the capacitance. Okay. So here in this practical I am having this range for the voltage, this range for the current and this range for the resistance. Okay. So practical was for the measurement of the resistance, so that is why I choose only this resistance, this current and this voltage, not of this farad. Okay. But because this is for only and only capacitance. So this is how you can operate the multimeter. And there are two knobs. This is for AC, this is for DC. So to choose voltmeter means AC supply for DC circuit. So that for that I will choose this one. For AC mains I will choose this one. Okay. So here are the ranges for the voltmeter, for the current, for the resistances. So this was the practical for the resistance. So beta, this is how you can calculate the resistances and make your observation table for that. One is, now here is serial number, multimeter reading for resistance and actual resistance. Actual resistance you can measure with the help of carbon coding of that resistor. So that was actual resistance 10 ohms, but when I measure from the multimeter, that was 10.3. Similarly for the another resistance I am having actual resistance 56 kilo ohms, but multimeter shows that 56.4 kilo ohms. So this is how variation is there with the help of multimeter. So with this practical we study about how we can calculate the resistance of a resistor. Thank you, class.